Guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is the one and the only Chikwado Space. Guys, in today's video I will be unboxing this packet with you guys. I got a packet and I cannot even know what I ordered. Sorry to say that, but I know I've ordered many things. I ordered things in Temu. I think this is what I ordered in Temu that's landed some minutes ago. I just want to unbox it with you. You know, guys, this is the second time I'm just ordering things in Temu China online shop. Okay, so yeah, it's from Temu. Yeah, so guys, let's just unbox it together and see what is inside here, guys. The other time I unboxed with you what I got, so this time around they gave me another promo code and I decided to get some things from them. So guys, without wasting time, let's see what is this. Oh my god, guys, I got this. This is what I have in mind, but I don't know whether it is what I got or what I ordered is what I get. I have something in mind of where something to YouTube cotton, something like that, to spray when I am trying to make sitting down blocks. Yeah, I saw this thing like that. I said, let me just get it. Oh my god, this is another thing altogether. Look at this. How this thing is? No, this is not what I really want. This is another thing that came. Oh my god, what is this? Guys, I really got this thing for what? No, I have to return this. What is this for? What is this for? What will I do with this one? No way. And no way, this is not what I add. Oh my, this is painting things. So god, no, Temu, no, I have to return this to you guys. This thing you see here is €8 something. What I ordered for, please, I have to return this. Something I got again here is fast nail or first nail. We call it first nail. You can see it here. I hope you can see it. This is so beautiful anyway. Sometimes I do like this when I'm not working, when I have like holidays or 1 week, 2 weeks holiday. I can fix it and make small guy for myself, at least enjoy myself before I can start to work again. This is what I got. This is good anyway. I will take it. Another thing is this. What is this? Okay, guys, if you can remember, the first thing I ordered in Temu shop, I got but the one I got then was too small. This time around I saw a little bit brighter, a little bit wider one. Then I got it. This is this. So I think this is okay. This is something I needed. Okay, whenever I'm doing like something like meat pile, I can use it. So this is good. This is one of good thing I got from Temu. And what again, guys? Yes, I got this wonderful, beautiful comb. This comb is very nice whenever I am making my hair or my kids' hair. I can make use of them, okay, of it. So this is also nice. I love this. This is good. You can remove this if you want to cut hair. You can remove it or you can leave it like this. So what again I got? This is let me open it and see what I remember. This is when you finish, you are making up face makeup. Now after you finish face makeup, you can spray it for the makeup to run together and it will not fast. This is what this is work for. Yeah, I say I can try it. Okay, actually I don't really use it when I do my makeup, but this time around why I got it is because sometimes after finish making up, you will see sometimes if you're wearing white clothes or something like that, it can dirty your clothes. So I decided to buy this finish makeup because after you spray it, it will just seal it. Cannot go out like normal. Okay. So what I still have a lot of things here, guys. I have a lot of things here. What is this? What is this? What is this? Okay, let me start from this one here. Oh, I got this for my daughter for hair. This is hair pack. Their hair. Okay, and you can see, or even me too. Oh, this is hair band. This is for mom, not for babies. This is a little bit bigger. I thought this is a small size for children, but this is for the and here adults. Oh, I got this edge gel, edge control gel. Yeah, you know, when you are making hair, sometimes your edges begin to get rough. You can use it to control your edge. Do you see it? So this is how it looks like. I got it from Temu. So what again? I still have a lot of small things here. Let's see what is inside there. This, what is this? What is this? I can't remember. Oh, guys, this is Teeth Bright. Oh, Teeth Bright White in 7 days. Oh, I saw this. This can brighten your teeth for 7 days if you can use it and wash your teeth. So I got it. I said, let me give it a try. And this is, I think whenever I'm going to use it, I can even show you when I'm using it, guys. So what again I have here? Yeah, I got some needle for sewing, guys. Sometimes I do sew my kids' clothes. Yeah, sometimes their clothes may get somehow tore. I can use my hand and bring it to normal. This is the needle for that. This is what I got. You can see it here. This is needle for the big needle for sew. I have already thread for sewing. So this is how it looks like, guys. So the mamas in the house will understand what I'm saying. So what again? This is also charcoal, cocoa charcoal. This is also for whitening toothpaste. You can also use it to wash your teeth and make your teeth white. It's like just charcoal to whiten teeth, or not whitening, to brush your teeth to get it white. Okay, even if it's whitening teeth, yeah, but you can use it with your brush. Okay. So I still have a lot of things here, guys. Let me open this. What is this? I can't remember what this thing is. I can't remember what this is. I can't remember. Can't remember. But let me check. I will still check also. If you know what is this, let me know. Let me open this big thing here before this one. Or let's open this before this big one. If you are watching to this extent, you are a wonderful member. Thank you for watching. Kindly give me thumbs up, share my videos. I do a lot of things in the channel here, guys. I do lifestyle. I do everything around me. Whatever comes to my way, I share with you. So you can grab one or two things and I so cook, guys. So kindly check all of my videos and like, share me out to your friends and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be among the first to be notified. And thank you for being here. So another thing I got here is also makeup setting spray. I got it too, guys. Oh, this one you have to shake it very well before you use it. Look at it. Oh my god, I have not used this one before. Guys, have you used this before? Say the name is Sky 8 Sky 8 or Sky V, or how will I say it? Makeup setting. This is the spray one. Look at it, it's so shining. I think you can shake it very well before you can make use of it. So yeah, let's open the last but not the least here. Oh, there are still a lot of things here. Aha. Oh, okay. I still think this is the two things that the last thing I have here, guys. I hope you are seeing them all. Let's open this. This is okay. This is a sweat maker, guys. I really get this because of whenever I am going for work. When I mean work, you are doing workout. Something you can wear to burn fat around your belly side. Look at it. I think this will be my size. Look at it. This is how it is. This is good to burn fat. If you are doing workouts, you need this. Whenever you are doing workouts, you wear it. It will help to burn off the fat in your stomach. You can see it has button you can use to button it. You can see it's so nice. It depends on the size, okay? And I love it because still look at it, it's so good. It can fit everyone, okay? It's so nice. And this is the short one. This is how it looks like when I wear it. This is how it's gonna look like. I got this one, okay? This is just for workout. Lightweight, comfortable, quick drying, okay? Sweet maker is made from a special blend of high quality compressions. So and so vital. Let's open the last but not the least one here. I can't remember what I have here, but whatever it may be, let's see what is here. So guys, this is the, oh my god, see guys, it's just like the other one I opened. It's just like this one here. This is the short one and this is the trouser. This is the trouser one. I hope you can see it. This is the trouser. Hope you can see it. This is the trouser. It's also nice. Yeah, you can even wear this inside and wear another trouser, or you can choose to wear only trouser like this. Wear it and go for workouts, guys. So I hope this will size me because it's elastic. It can size everybody. I think so. Yeah. So the size I got. What this size? This is the size is XL. I hope it will size me. If it's not gonna size, I can reduce it from here. Yeah, I can reduce it from here, or even I can make amendments anywhere. So guys, this is all I got from Temu. Tell me what you think about what I got from Temu. Are they good? We like to have something like that. And this thing I'm telling you, I've been showing you things, just not much. It did not pass 70 euro. Okay, it did not pass 70 euro. I think it's 67 or 68 euros. I got everything I'm showing you here, guys. But this one I showed you first. I have to return it because what I thought is not what I got. Please kindly subscribe to my channel once again and share this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now. Mwah.